Hi, I'm MJ.
And I'm Steph.
We are local real estate agents with Carolina Home Partners, and we are so excited to be in Summerfield, North Carolina.
We just opened our second office in Summerfield. We are upstairs in the Martin's Mercantile,
where we specialize in the real estate for Summerfield, Oakridge, Northern Greensboro, Stokesdale, and beyond.
So when we're working with our sellers on a new listing, obviously we go see the home, and then we will make recommendations to what they should do in the home to bring more value. And whether that's painting, maybe having floors refinished, trying to update lighting, things like that. We know in today's market, more buyers than not want homes that are already updated. They don't want to take the 2006 home and do the remodel.
I know.
So we try really hard to get our sellers to invest that money.
If they don't, then we do the best we can with what we have to work with to just give that good, updated look.
And we'll bring in staging, modern furnishings and stuff like that. That can go a long way on a house that's outdated.
And you're really good at the organization too, just really that decluttering and coming through. Steph's awesome at really paring down their belongings and personal things can change the look of a home. Also, when we go to work with our buyers, quite often, a lot of homes are outdated because, remodeling and updates are expensive and it can be overwhelming. So when we take the buyers to see the homes that may not be, in move-in ready state, we're able to analyze what's there, what their style would be, and how much it would cost to maybe get that new kitchen or that new bathroom.
And MJ has this 3D design software where we can actually do a picture of the kitchen, if it's a kitchen, and show them what it would look like. They tell us what they're looking for in a kitchen, and she basically can design that and then also give them the pricing.
Right.
So if that's a home that they're going to get a pretty good deal on because it's outdated and there's still room for them to have the remodel done, that's been a huge asset to our team.
With all of the skills that we both possess, one of the things that we really focus on is helping our buyers and sellers see everything about the home. And it's not just, wow, you walk in and you see some pretty quartzite countertops. We're also looking for what's going on in the crawl space, the attics, the systems, the age of the roof, etc. All these things make up the home that are really important to understand when you're going to make an offer on something. We are really excited to launch this YouTube channel. We're going to be sharing so much with you. The local design trends that are up and coming, also a lot of market trends too for how is the market reacting in this specific area.
And we're also going to be talking about selling and buying, more specifically first-time home buyers, investors, people who maybe want to move in 3 or 4 years and need to start looking at what is it I want to do to my home? Do I need to remodel? Do I want to see what that looks like? We want to help you figure out what is the best investment for your home in order to bring you the most value when you do decide to sell. And maybe that's a 5-year plan. We come in, sit with you, help you figure out what are the most important things that buyers are looking for that's worth the money, that will bring you the value when you go to sell in year 5.
We are here today to launch our new YouTube channel called Selling Summerfield and Beyond. Our goal is to educate you and empower you whether you're working with us or not.
And if you're ready to buy, sell, invest, or remodel, come find us.